I went through a heck of a lot and I wasn't supposed to be here. I should have never made it. Some people said my heart was actually black.
Every day I made a journal because I figured I know my brother and I know that if he would make it, he would want to know, and I knew that he wouldn't be able to remember anything.
I just remember waking up, 2 months later.
This is him afterwards.
It started with a heart attack, and John Wise kept getting sicker.
So they decided to call down at University of Maryland, and they wanted to take him there and find out what they could do to save him. They told us it was going to be a long road, and they'll see what they can do. When I walked in to the room, they had, I've never seen it before in my life. I mean, I've been in hospitals many times with family members, and they had so many machines around him, it was just kind of scary. Your bi-VAD, which was really crazy to watch.
Yeah, these things, they were 4 big things hanging out of my chest. I can just remember they were so uncomfortable. I kept throwing them all this way, that way.
Usually,
I remember that.
They say a lot of times that you only need one VAD, but you actually needed both because you couldn't circulate any of your blood.
First doctor I remember seeing walk by was Dr. Feller. And I do have a little crush on her, I must say. Somehow or another I came through, which is a medical miracle, that's for sure.
If it wasn't for the medical team at University of Maryland, my brother wouldn't be here. There's no way that I don't think any other hospital would have been able to pull him through like they did. Anybody that ever has anything going on, especially with their heart, I'm like, you've got to go to University of Maryland. Don't go to any other place.